Hello, this is Diego Hernandez, and this video is going to talk about or giving the answer to the three questions that you gave us in the platform. So I'm going straight to the point, and I'm going to start with the first question. That was, who were the original inhabitants of the British island? The original inhabitants were the Celtic Britons, also known as Britons, who came from Armenia and first peopled Britain southward. Here we have an illustration about where uh, the all this territory was from Britons, and this is how the settlement of Anglo-Saxon and Jutes in Britain about 600. So here we have where the Angles conquered, where the Saxons conquered, and as well as where the Jutes conquered. You can see that Angles did the conquer the conquered of much territory from Britons, and then thanks to him we know that England is that is called now. They gave the name because Angle's land was like the first noun, and then they become that name to England. Now the second question is how were they how were they overcome by the Anglo-Saxon tribes? We are talking about the same of about the Britons, and the way how they were conquered or overcome. It basically was like an invasion. That's like I said before. Jules, Saxons, and they moved to the Britain territory, and then they conquered the territory like through invasion. Now the last question is, why were Anglo-Saxons described by the ancient historians as God's wrath toward Britain? Because sources from the early years of Saxons invasion was time of war, as I said before. They conquered Britain through invasion, and Britain tried to protect their territory, and it became time of war. The Anglo-Saxons invasion was slow and piecemeal. You know, they at the time they were conquering more territory. The expansion was slow and piecemeal. The few literally the few literary sources tell of hostility between incomers and natives. They describe violence, destruction, and massacre. The incomers are the Anglo-Saxon tribes, and the natives were the Britons. So I hope I gave the answer that you wanted to this question, and if I don't, please forgive me. I tried to do my best in my research. This was the information that I found. So thank you for watch this video. Bye bye.